ZoomInfo Tutorial 2023. Automate your sales with ZoomInfo. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. I bring you back with yet another video, and in this video we're going to be quickly discussing about ZoomInfo, what it does, and how you can use it to basically automate your sales. So in easier words, it's a great way to grow your business where it has great, sales OS, marketing OS, operation OS, and much more. And you can use all that to stabilize your business, make it run much better. So first of all, if we were to go and discuss the pricings, basically there's three different plans. Sales plan, where you can accelerate your entire sales process, the marketing plan, where you can achieve more ROI, and the talent plan, where you can find the best talent faster. So mostly people will go with the sales plan, and to view its pricing, obviously you're going to have to sign up and everything. And once you do that, you're just going to go ahead and submit yourself. And once you do that, then you're going to head straight into the ZoomInfo plan, where you're obviously going to see all the different automations. And to do those, obviously make sure to go into the sales OS. And once you're in the sales OS, as you can see, you have sales automation right here. So even if you were to click on the sales automation, you can see that there are great data powered sales engagement and stuff like that. And do make sure that you have a proper business email address, because without that, they won't let you sign in. But yeah, this is your automation. You can come here and check it out, and it's pretty cool stuff, and works great, and you can use it to automate all your tasks and make your workflow much smoother. So yeah, that's all there is to discuss when it comes to ZoomInfo. Pretty abstract, pretty decent, pretty easy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.